savor the Southwest. And this is one fruit you can savor almost any time in the Southwest, and that is the mammalaria cactus fruit. These are easy to harvest. Now I'm going to come out here. I'll probably not be able to do it on the camera after saying that. You just grab them and pull them out. And you don't want to eat the little tip. That's a little kind of gnarly, but go ahead and eat the rest of it. It's full of seeds and it's somewhat sweet and it's a little bit tart. And it looks like a chili pepper, but it tastes, oh, I'm going to say a little bit like apple or maybe watermelon, kind of a cross between the two. And what's interesting about mammalarias is they flower when they want to. They get a little extra water, they flower. Whereas saguaros and prickly pears tend to all be ready at the same time of year. I'm out here in February, and these mammalarias have fruit on them. So keep your eye out, you know, if you are foraging. These are inside the fence, so the critters aren't eating them. But mammalaria fruits are wonderful to forage. If you want to, you can just put them on a saucer on the counter and let them dry and use them later. I've actually put these fruits once they were dried, I crumbled them up and put them in muffins, and it was kind of like a poppy seed muffin, I will say, because of the seeds inside are crunchy like poppy seeds, and the flavor was delightful. So you can get real creative, but our Sonoran Desert is very rich in things to harvest in any month of the year. The problem is we can't have 1 million people out there doing it. We could have small tribal bands out harvesting all the wonderful things in our desert and savoring the Southwest. So earlier I said just take these fruits and put them on a saucer on your counter to dry. Oops. And what I didn't say is that it should be a terracotta saucer. And the reason for it, it's unglazed, and some of the moisture will seep out of the fruit into the saucer. It'll help them dry without getting moldy. So just something to consider if you have mammalaria, or if you see some, well, you know, if you're out hiking, just go ahead and harvest them and enjoy them. There we are. You can grasp them just with your fingers and enjoy them, but if I'm harvesting a bunch of them, I like to use my forceps. The reason I have these forceps actually is so I can weed my cacti, which is something that I have neglected, shame on me. So that's another story. Thanks for watching. Savor the Southwest.